Hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, depending on what time you're listening to this. Welcome. My name is Neferatiti Ife. I want you to breathe. Whew. Okay, breathe again. Breathe again. Breathe again. Today, I'll be talking about transformation cards. Some of you have bought this. Can you see the back? That's the side. And some people have been saying they would like instructions of how to use the cards. So I decided to do this little video in my own way. I was going to do it all professionally, but I said, you know what? Let me get it done. There's people out there that buy the cards that would like to know how it works. Now, this is an example of how to use it, but you can use the cards in any way you want to. That is why there is no little booklet saying this means that and that, because some of the meanings may mean that for you, but for someone else, it means something completely different. And in order to get the booklet, it would cost a lot of more money. Now, I wanted to make the cards accessible to our people, the people who want to buy it. I wanted to make the cards with images that look like me and images from the African and Caribbean culture. The reason why I made the cards is because I was using tarot cards or trying to learn tarot cards and could never learn it. Never made any sense. The images I didn't like. The other cards, oracle cards, they were fine, but still I didn't resonate with the images of angels that didn't look like me, and also some of the images were not positive, and none of them really resonated to me, as I said. So, hey, I thought, what am I going to do? Instead of complaining, I need to do something. So I sat down and I cut out some little cardboard squares inspired by this woman who had a disability in her hands. She had arthritis in her hands. And when she cut the card, it was so painful. But she overcame that disability and she made these cards, just squares with words on it. And I was inspired by that woman. I said, look, you ain't got no excuse. Get on and do it. So I did. And she was amazing. Her cards were amazing. They are amazing. And I said, well, look, you know what? I like her cards, but I want mine with images. So I was inspired by that woman and other people who did cards, but I wanted mine to be different. So I enlisted a artist, Ken McCullough, and I liked his work, and it cost a whole heap of money. I paid him, we got the work done, and then I made the first version, and now we've done the second version of cards. And they are, let's get the number wrong, let us get it right. I think they're 56 cards. And they're now in a box. Before I didn't have a box, they're now in a box. There you go. So yeah, Ken McCullough's the artist and Kemi Murphy. Let's not forget Kemi Murphy. She assisted on some of the cards. So in the cards you'll see transformation cards, what it's about, my credentials, who I am. And here, you probably can't see it. It just says who the images are by. You probably can't see that. But on the back, it's got transformation cards, yeah? Okay, and there's another card that says how you can use them. So I'm going to give you a quick example of how you could use the cards and how, if you want to use it like this, you can. If you don't, and you're intuitive, enough, some people are like, I want to use it how I want to use it. So you're welcome to. They're your cards. Thank you for buying it if you bought them. I'm really appreciative. I give thanks to your abundance, sharing it with me. And if you have any problems, send me an email on Neferatiti at googlemail.com, and I'll leave my email at the bottom. Sorry, sometimes the words just fly away from me because I'm in the zone, and sometimes when you're in the zone, you're receiving messages and it makes words difficult. So let's start. Get the glasses ready. The cards have 10 themes. So, and these themes are basically the subject. This is like a subject, like you want to know about your money situation. So you take money out, put it down. Shuffle 6 cards, and the 6 cards will tell you what's happening with you in regards to your money situation, what you can do to change it, how you can change your mindset. So the cards are about what you can do in the now. They're not about, your grandmother or your grandfather, or it's all about the now and what you can do. And because I'm a trained counselor, I'm able to see how the mind works. And because some of our thoughts stop us from going forward, the cards remind us what we can do. They are telling you messages on a subliminal message. So the message of this card is a black woman that is abundant in terms of money. We don't see that often. Yeah? And she looks like she's connected to herself. She's at peace. But she can be in a situation of money. That's one of the images. The next image is health. If we have issues with our health, and we put fruits and vegetables, we can pull a card for health. The next card, soul. What does your soul want you or want from you? How you can work with your soul. There's love. That always comes up in readings. People always want to know about what's happening, what is going to happen in their love life. But this card, when it comes up, it may mean what you need to do in your love life. It's a bit of work. Body, what you do with your body. Travel, lovely card. Career path, mind, friends, and family. So most of you have the cards already. That's why you're looking at this. I'm just going to pick one. I'm going to do a quick reading so that the video is short and so that you can get the most out of it. Close my eyes. Don't need to close my eyes. But this is going to be about career path. What's my career path? Okay? And I'm going to take 3 cards because time is of essence. Quick shuffle. Right. So here we have, we'll go for the negative ones. We've got healing the past. So this card is about healing my past. How am I going to heal the past and my past thoughts about my career? How's my career going to excel? So this card may have come up because I've been working for years and years in 9-to-5 jobs, helping other people with their problems. So I need to heal my past thoughts about being self-employed, about working for myself, relying on myself to bring in money. That's the card. I need to heal my past and look at my thoughts. Yeah. So this card, healing environment. I need sun. Anybody knows me, I love the sun. It works with me. I love the sun. I need an environment that I love that can enhance my career. So when I'm in a good environment, I am more productive. I love the sun. I love trees. I love plants. I love the bees, as long as they don't sting me. That is for me. Card 2, abundance. Fantastic. So what the cards are saying, if I heal my past, yeah, and obviously this is a short snippet of a reading, it'd be much more cards if you received a reading from me. So this card is saying, if I heal my past, I get a healing environment. So I'm just looking at the cards I just had. I put them all up. I can be abundant. There they are. There they are. All the images are of people who are African and Caribbean. There's not enough cards that look like me out there. So this is not something that's prejudice or racist or whatever you want to call it. It speaks to me, and hopefully these cards will speak to other people. It's time for us to get some kind of abundance in our lives. Abundance of your mind, body, and the spirit. This card, this woman is abundant. She has a mango and she has a baby. That for her is abundance. So on this note, that I'm going to end the reading in this small little reading. However, you can use the cards by shuffling. It's always best to shuffle. And what you do while you're shuffling, you breathe. Just say, just take a couple of breaths and you say, my intention is for a good reading. Just talk to the cards. And cards, and you could call the spirit world, you could call the universe, whatever you worship or whoever you connect with in the spirit world, and ask them for a card. So I'm going to ask my grandmother. Look, the door's closing behind me. I'm not doing anything to do with the door. Come in, grandmother. And grandmother will choose a card for you that's looking at this video now. So it's like a big shuffle. I'll let you look at it first. Truth. There you go. Truth. Live your truth. Walk your truth. Speak your truth. Not to hurt anybody, but speak your truth. And when you speak the truth, it puts you in a better place mentally, physically, psychologically, spiritually. Your truth. Whatever that is. Not to hurt someone, not to break someone's heart, but you're speaking your truth. And on that note, I thank you for listening. If you bought the cards, I give thanks and blessings and praises for your sharing your abundance financially with me. And this video may help you to use the cards. I hope so. But I've made it for my heart, my soul, my ancestors, and the universe. The great creator has helped me to bring these cards forward. And these cards are here to move you from the place where you are now into your abundance, your truth, and to be in alignment with who you are now and what you've come to do on this planet. I give thanks to you and many, many blessings.